Hey, welcome guys. Now just cancel my ChatGPT subscriptions. Here is why. After testing many AI tools, I finally found one that 10x better and super easy to use. Say this otio, the best AI search assistant I have ever tested. Okay, whether you are looking to overcome writing blocks, boost creative, and streamline your writing process, Audio has got your covered. Why I love Audio? Because supports the entire writing process, brainstorming idea, outline your work, generate draft, text quickly, guarantees accuracy with unmistakable citations every single time. Effortlessly summarize paper PDF, provide concise summarize on YouTube video. Okay, creates detailed structured PDF. Now let's start at how we can use it right way. First of all, we ready to research here. Okay, we will be uploaded the PDF and we will be see what happened and I will be nahi, wait a minute. Yes, this I will send the PDF this and we will be research of what is the PDF ongoing. So I think this is good. You can see here the and here will be the PDF and there we can ask the questions. There are lot of AI tool, but this is the one of them my favorite also. That my one of them like Hometa AI and Chat PDF also. But this is a new and good accurately thing. So I will ask. I uh, I want I want to know total pharmacist vacancy. Okay, अब इससे क्लिक करते हैं. Then it's searching and responding. Total vacancy 268 pharmacists that you can see here in this PDF. Vacancies available government through the government. Then we can create it and clear the chat and ask the questions differently. We can hear. Can you okay? Can you tell me total number of page? ठीक है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पेज कितने हैं इन दिस? देन 39. एब्सोल्युटली राइट. यू कैन सी हियर वन पेज इज 39. Okay, so you can see here we can do it like we will be generating and it's here and new workflow, new notes. Okay, now if we want to something notes creative thing and if we studying something, so I will if somebody write a blogs, right? Okay, so then we will be see five best book. Okay, generate this. We will generate like is as a blog post, write introductions, investment memo, easily. Okay, outline, write outline. Write outline. Okay, this five best book in here you can see here. Okay, press command and for this we can see here. You can see impact, energy, structure, food security, and AI command also we can use it. Okay, now coming to the we will be go to the home page. This import I have already told you this and new workflow. Let's start it. We can connect. I mean, if somebody is want to YouTube video summarization, documentations, like what this will be happen, then we can do it manually and automations also. Okay, now coming to the point is YouTube summary. We want to the video YouTube summary, but it is we have to pay if we want to. But no worry, there are many AI tool that can help you also. I have already make the videos about how we can summarize the YouTube videos and right way. Now this is the best you can use it, and I hope this video is helpful for you. if if you are thinking and something's going on in your mind, please comment in below section. Thank you for watching it.